like I've got a good understanding of your business, and I've helped hundreds of GCs get from exactly where you were at in 24, 8 million to that 15 million mark. I know that you've got somebody that you already work with. I'll be here when you need a partner that understands that the target we're shooting for is 15 million, right? I'll shoot you over my mobile, my phone. I'm here for you 100%, whatever you need, right? It's just you being different like that is going to set yourself apart, and they're going to be like, let's just call a Sean guy. He knows better. Yeah. And even if they don't, all you have to do is that 5-10 times a week, and 2 of them are going to become accounts of yours.
Hey, Matt.
Yo.
What's the nicest thing you've done for salespeople?
The nicest thing I've done for salespeople, I think we should do it right now. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give them the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. You're going to cover the cost. It's coming out of your pocket. Heather's going to cover all the cost for you. I want you to click the link here. I will get you the closing mini masterclass. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. Things are going to be great for you. And she's picking up the tab. You're welcome. She's picking up the tab. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.